Well, unfortunately, didn't quite make it to a 12-cylinder run today. I got the bottom three motors mounted on here. Still got to put a starter cover on that one. I had to cut it down. Had real problems with these back two. I don't know if you can see it or not, but right in here I had to notch out the steel. Notch the steel out there. Same thing on that one. You can see how tight a fit it is with the starter shroud against it. So I don't know why that was, considering I had motors in there before, but maybe I didn't have starter cover on them. I don't know, when I was test fitting it to build it and all that. But they've all got chain sprockets on them, and they line up with the corresponding sprocket on the shaft. Same thing there, and all that, and they're all Loctited in place. So I basically got the intake manifold done here. It's all welded now, and I just realized it's not quite done welding. I'm going to try to put mounts on it like this, bolts, to bolt it to I'll bolt it to this angle, and then I don't know, I'll figure out something down there. But so it's pretty much done anyways. And the motors have oil in them, and I don't have stop wires on them yet, but of course no carburetor or gas line or anything. But so I would anticipate sometime this week I'll be able to get a starting attempt out of it. So yeah, I still have to install the timing chains there to link them to the common shaft. But all in all, I think most of the work's done. So I put a lot of hours into this thing this weekend, but had a few little problems. Like I say, the cutting that pieces out of the frame was one of them, but there was more than that. I got to the last two there, and I couldn't seem to find a magnetron ignition that wanted to fire. There was something funny going on. It's like the